In today's video, I'm going to teach you, is Cloudways good for WordPress? Step-by-step review and guide 2026. If you want your WordPress or WooCommerce site to load quickly, but you're tired of the slowdowns and traffic issues that often come with traditional shared hosting, this guide will help clear things up. A lot of people assume that moving to cloud hosting means dealing with complex server management, command lines, and security configuration. What makes Cloudways appealing is that it places a managed, beginner-friendly dashboard on top of major cloud providers, so you can get better performance without handling all the technical heavy lifting yourself. To understand why WordPress performs well on Cloudways, it helps to first look at the hosting setup behind it. On standard shared hosting, many websites are packed onto the same server resources. That means if one site has a problem or a traffic spike, everyone else can feel the slowdown. Cloudways works differently by giving you an isolated virtual server environment for your own projects. It also includes its Thunderstack setup, which combines Nginx, Apache, optimized PHP, FPM, and varnish caching to improve speed and responsiveness. If your server uses 2 gigabytes of RAM or more, Cloudways also includes Object Cache Pro, which uses Redis to store heavy database query results in memory. That can make a big difference for WooCommerce stores and membership sites. When you're ready to launch your first server, log into the Cloudways platform and click Launch Now or Add Server. In the application selection area, choose the version of WordPress that fits your project. Then pick your preferred cloud provider, such as DigitalOcean or Vultr, and use the server size slider to choose your resources. For most production WordPress sites, 2 gigabytes of RAM or higher is a smart choice because it unlocks Object Cache Pro automatically. After that, choose the data center closest to your audience and launch the server. Cloudways will handle the background setup for you, and this usually takes around 7 to 10 minutes. Once the server is active, go to the applications section and open your new site. In Access Details, you'll find your temporary staging URL and your WordPress admin login information. Use those details to sign in and access your fresh WordPress dashboard. Next, connect your custom domain. In Access Details, copy your server's public IP address. Then log into your domain registrar and create or update an A record that points your domain to that IP. After that, return to Cloudways, open Domain Management, add your domain, and set it as primary. Then go to the SSL certificate section, enter your email address and domain, and install the certificate so your site uses HTTPS. Finally, open your site in a private browser window and confirm that it loads correctly, shows the secure padlock, and displays without errors. That's it. You now have a properly configured WordPress site on Cloudways with strong performance, managed deployment, and a much easier workflow than traditional cloud hosting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.